There are very less people who have started this academy. It is said that there is a 2% rule that in a whole process, you will see only 2% of people who reach to this stage. So you are already an action taker as you have started this course. So this course is all about digital marketing mastery and how to master them. So before proceeding, let me say you, we try to make this process and this course as fun and entertaining as possible. This is very engaging process. So before proceeding, you need to enjoy the process. The process will give you and reach to your goal and end results. So the process is very important. So we have prepared very beautiful slides for you so that you can understand in depth the concept and the things what we are going to teach you. So before proceeding, we must also know the benefits of what we are doing. So there are 7 benefits of working, 7 benefits of this course. You will get 100% mentorship of this skill from both of us. Abdullah, CEO, he is a co-founder and CTO, and myself, Moizuddin Muhammad, CEO and co-founder at Cosalent Technology. The second benefit, you will get whole experience about us. The second benefit about this Digital Marketing Academy is you will get an academy access of total 1 year worth $1,000 with high definition videos, tutorials, downloadables, quizzes, workshop, and live sessions. You will also be having sessions on Q&A, question and answer, live interaction with you people. After completion, you will get a professional certification which has high value and high in demand. You will get a certified copy certificate for the completion of digital marketing workshop that will help you in job, finding new clients, and generating trust among people. You can share that certificate to your social medias, LinkedIn pages, and you can present in front of your boss or companies during the interview process. The fourth benefit is you will get a job assistant and job interview cracking process. You will learn from practical example case studies of big brand, how they get big and how they become big brand, their strategies and our marketing experience. You will get the sixth benefit is you will get downloadable PDFs, books, and multiple things. The seventh benefit is editable checklist, which is very important for you. For SEO, you will get multiple checklists. For social media, will get checklists. For digital marketing, for paid ads, for everything, you will get checklists. For designing marketing, you will get a checklist, and you can have that for your rest of the time. And sheets, you will get sheets access and much more. So what is all about digital marketing mastery? Why we call this as digital marketing mastery, and how can you be a master in this field, digital marketing? And you will be appreciated by people and you will call as a digital marketer expert. So how this is possible? How mastery is possible? Through workshop. So we have a process of workshop. So we will divide these all into multiple steps, the digital marketing mastery workshop. As you are learning digitally and you will going to learn the marketing, each marketing psychology, practical marketing psychology, and also the psychology behind that and people behavior, each and everything, because there is a technology, there is digital in between, but there are two, and at the two end there are real heart, real people, real thinking people, and the connection between them is digital. So you must know exactly how this marketing works and how the psychology of marketing works. Mastery of digital marketing, and through workshop we will share you few details and everything. How our workshop is divided into two parts: the learning process, which will include the learning videos, PDFs, checklist, each and everything, and through quiz you will understand more in depth, and you will understand where you are going right, and you are going to understand the process and everything. And and at the other side there is a workshop and assignments through which we personally know what is your understanding. Are you going to understand the process, and even you will know all your mistakes and process of digital marketing, each part. So, why we need to do this? Because the learning and implementation are the two track of a digital marketing. With only learning, you can't learn digital marketing. With only implementation, you make multiple mistakes. So you need to learn and implement. So these are two tracks of the this, and end result you will learn this digital marketing skill plus experience. You will gain much experience in this. So, course in detail, what we are going to, we have 4 sets of courses plus bonuses. The first set, the first module is creative designing mastery. The second is marketing psychology. The third is website mastery, Facebook mastery, Instagram masterclass, e-commerce module in detail, SEO search engine optimization, how it's work, what is the definition and what is the process, what are the types of SEO, each and everything you will learn in this module. Google Ads, exactly how we run Google Ads and make profitable to other people. So this will be the last digital marketing course you need, and how it is possible. How it is possible, because you don't need to attend, you don't need to buy different course, separate course for this, because this is already a complete course, and we will teach you from multiple sources, multiple strategies. So you don't need to implement, or you need to join or purchase or buy different digital marketing services. Digital marketing is a sea of knowledge. New platforms will come and go. Trends are changing every day. Each platform algorithm changes every 3 to 6 months. Facebook will change each and every norms for them. Google will change its norms and change their algorithm. Instagram will change algorithm. So we need to know each and everything. We need to update it on regular basis. How it's possible? So our process is teaching from the source. We will show you, we'll teach you how you can learn from the source. From Google, how can you learn? From Facebook, you can learn. From multiple other platforms, each platform you will learn. So platform may change, but the source and marketing psychology and marketing system will be common. So you don't need to purchase or take another course. Share our experience as a mentor. We will share our each and everything, our strategies, our work, our process, our results, each and everything we will share in front of you. And we will also share how the brands work, what are their strategies, how they grow. The big brand, the McDonald's, the Nike, the Facebook, Instagram, how they grow, how Pepsi grow, how Coca-Cola go, what is the strategy for Ola, Uber, etc. Each and everything we will share the few case studies, so that you will learn how they become brand. So they are our personal groups for a lifetime and update knowledge. So we going to share our experience in few WhatsApp groups and other groups, and what are the changes we will going to implement, and we going to update you regarding that. So you have full access to join our future webinars, live session, and workshops. Aim, what you should aim. Your aim and your goal and intention is simple: to get a job or to get a freelancing, start your own freelancing or start your digital marketing agency as a business. Let's dive into it. The set of 8 courses plus bonuses in which we learn multiple things. So the workshop include each learning process, videos, tutorials, quiz, and workshop assignment. You need to work on that assignment. You need to complete the all courses, all videos, and you need to complete the quiz. Answer each quiz. There is a limitation for that quiz, and you will gain the scores for your quiz. According to that, you will earn 8 batches. Each and every module has batches. So this is very interesting. You will gain the batches when you complete each courses. You will gain the badges. So these badges will be reflected on your certification. So this is a beautiful certification where you will, in place of your name, it will be your personal name, and this certificate is very, very valuable, and you can be shared on multiple platforms, social media, different places, and you can share during the job, and you will get immediate job by seeing this certificate, because you have a long process. You have gone through a long process, so the companies will hire you. Everyone will get a dashboard in which you have full access of videos, downloadables, frameworks, inbound marketing PDFs, and personal groups where you can get access. So for this course, a whole 8 modules, you will get 2 instructors or mentors, trainers. One is Moizuddin Mohammed, CEO and co-founder, which is myself. I am going to teach you about the marketing and sales, and Muhammad Abdullah, CTO and co-founder at Cozalent Technology. He will teach you the technical and development part. So there are 2 parts of digital marketing. One is marketing and sales, and other is technical and development part. So the set of 8 courses are this. So we will going to start with creative designing mastery. Before that, we need to learn, and one short class today we learn. What is that class? The first rule of marketing. The first rule of marketing is attention. How to create attention, how to create attention for businesses. So there are only few processes through which you can create attention through digital platforms. In digital marketing, there are 4 types of. The first one you can see is images or banners. In such, you can create attention by showing images what exactly you are offering. The second one is GIF, without music. Slides is called GIF. Many of you know what is GIF. And videos. Videos are also very essential. Videos are the top most in demand thing in digital marketing. You see reels, you see YouTube, you see Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, everywhere you see this videos for news, businesses, offering, tutorials, and currently you are seeing videos. So videos are very popular and it's very in demand. Audio, for audio there are many platforms like podcast and many other things. And blog is for text. You can say text is for this. So actually content is the king, and content has these 5 options. One is image, GIF, videos, audio, and a blog or text thing. So why we all are learning digital marketing or just marketing? The simple answer for this is to promote business. So what kind of business? How many types of businesses are there? There are only 2 categories of business: service-based business model and product-based business model. Service-based business model, where people give services like website design, logo design, other services. And for this product based business, if you have product like bakery, we provide a product like cakes, breads and such things. Like product, phone is also a product. People, many businesses sell phones or digital, like laptops. Everything is like considered in product based business model. There are multiple other kinds of businesses also. You can also promote them, like regardless of these two, like self branding is one part where you can brand or you can promote them. You can promote teachers, mentors. You can also promote cities and countries, like for example Dubai promote himself as a brand, and it's promote the whole country to increase the tourism. We see many ads and many cities like Kerala, Jammu Kashmir, they provide their marketize themselves, and they increase tourism, and through that tourism they generate revenue. There are many other countries like Maldives, Bali, they promote themselves and increase tourism. So let's conclude this class. It was very interesting and very nice to see you going through whole this process. So thank you with the whole team of Kosalant Academy, and thank you for staying so long. See you in the next video.